Hey everyone, welcome back to TyQuan's channel. So today there's a special guest, me. So we're gonna do the 10-minute makeup challenge today.
We're gonna try to.
Well, it was originally 5 and then we were just like, we know that's gonna be like impossible. So we switched it to 10 because we're needy people.
Are there any rules? Or like...
No.
I say let's go as glam as possible as you can get in 10 minutes.
Just a fair warning, I know my nails are not done right now and they look hella janky. Alright, no need to let me know.
You're not gonna tell the people who you are?
Oh yeah, so I'm Tiffany, aka Daily Haute Life. Alright, not Daily Haute Life. But you can follow my YouTube. I don't post much, but follow us on Instagram at Daily Haute Life. We'll attach something on I guess.
It'll be right here. Right there.
Right
Just
there.
do that in
Put it across my forehead.
right in the Instagram.
Yeah, so go ahead and just follow us on IG. We just review basically whatever hot new products come out. Let's get to it.
All right, Alexa, start a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
I'm not telling you guys anything I'm using. I'm just gonna go for it.
Oh my god. It's hard to hold a mirror in front of my face.
You got the mirror in your face. People can't see nothing. This is too much foundation already.
I'm gonna try to tell you guys what I'm using. So right now, this is the Photo Finish Smashbox Primer in Light because I'm combination, so I don't really want. Oh my god, I'm already doing things in wrong order. Oh my god. I like to do my eyes first. Okay. So I'm gonna take the Urban Decay, the primer, eyeshadow primer Persian, Potion, and Original. Oh my god, this is giving me anxiety.
You know what the worst part about this is already? I told myself I wasn't gonna edit anything. You got the mirror in your face, girl.
Ah.
I'm not gonna edit anything else, so this is just gonna be at least like a 12-minute video, probably.
My heart's palpitating. I can't speak. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I don't want to do my eyebrows. I don't. You know what? I'm gonna slow down. So I want to be cute at the end of this, so we can take photos.
Okay. So I'm opening up currently the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I like to set my eyelids because your girl got some greasy lids.
She still got the mirror in her face. You gotta look down, girl.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. So actually, I used to never set my lids until I complained to TyQuan, like, hey, my lids are so oily. It's like, I'll put on like a couple different shades, and by the end of the day, everything's like one shade.
Oh, I forgot my contouring concealer.
1 for me, 0 for TyQuan.
Guys, 30 seconds ago, I lost my blush, and then I realized it was in front of me.
So I'm gonna use a palette that I never use, the Nicole Concealio palette, collaboration with Violet Voss. This is honestly a beautiful palette. I have a Violet Voss addiction. I personally just like to collect those her palettes.
Honey, you wasting too much time explaining. You just need to. Oh, that's a pretty. I want to use that blush.
No, that is not how this challenge works.
Alright, bitch, whatever.
Alright, so let's just go ahead with this look, y'all. Let's just go ahead.
I don't have a brow pencil, so like, don't clock me on my brows. I only brought a brow gel down. I could have swore I brought a pen. Oh, I do it. Oh, fuck. You know what?
I actually only use this pomade by Anastasia. I used to actually use the eyeshadow, like from BH Cosmetics. No, that's a lie. That's not the brand I used to use it from. Coastal Scents. What y'all know about Coastal Scents? Okay.
I'm gonna go into eyes. Like, I'm gonna just stop there with my base right now and just go into eyes. This is concealer. If you've seen any of my videos, this is nothing new. I say any of my videos, like I got thousands. I got like 3.
So I cannot speak today. So TyQuan always tells me like I apply my makeup like wrong or weird. Listen guys, the makeup world's limitless. Apply how you want. I have friends who still apply like their eyeshadow and like their foundation with fingers, and it sometimes looks really good.
Alright, she's clocking me. I won't necessarily say she's doing it wrong, but some of her techniques are cringeworthy. Like how she got her mirror in front of her face right now. What is the point? Alright, I'm gonna go in, you know, the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. My cat might knock the
palette
camera
is
over.
so nice. I'm kind of mad they're not at IMATS this year. I was looking forward to making my first purchase.
I want to become famous because they're only in Jersey, and maybe they'll give me a tour of the thing. Juvia's Place at me.
They're out of Jersey?
Yeah.
Wow. Like, where in Jersey?
I don't know Jersey City, so like really probably like, oh, this color's pretty.
Is that like near the shore?
Yeah. It's,
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to make a stop there. I'm going down there in East.
It's only their corporate offices. They don't sell them. And that's why I want to be famous.
I
so
got so
they can tour.
excited. Maybe we could email them and like go on a tour or something. I don't know how glam I'm trying to go.
You gotta go as glam as possible.
I'm like a low key glam. Like, I'm not like boom in your face. I just arrived. Oh my gosh, Alexa, how many minutes left?
You have 5 minutes and
Ah!
10 minutes.
Oh shit. Okay.
Ah!
Okay.
Shit just got real. Alexa, why you do that to me?
Oh my god.
We did a pre-test of this, and we just sat here for 10 minutes. And when you're not doing anything, 10 minutes is long. When you're doing shit, this ain't right.
This is giving me anxiety.
I brought like 14 brushes down like I was gonna do a real eye look. You're scaring my cat.
I'm
It's okay,
sorry. I just spritzed Fix Plus on your cat.
It's okay. Damn it.
Okay, guys. I'm going away for 2 seconds.
Oh my god.
This is so hard. You know what's funny? If I'm trying to get ready for work, like, I could do this in 10 minutes.
Honestly, I know wear makeup that takes longer than 10 minutes, so I don't know why I'm so stressed out right now. Oh, that was a good choice.
I just like to take my time. I think that's where the issue lies.
I did my eyes first so that I could cover up all my mistakes with concealer. So if you guys try this at home, that's what you're doing. I know we're really late to this challenge, but my channel's like 3 months old, so, you know. I know some of y'all probably wondering, oh, are you gonna do liner? And no, fuck that. I don't do eyeliner on a good day.
I have a love-hate with eyeliner. Like, you have to find a good one. Something that doesn't, like, melt. You know what I mean? Like, I was using some eyeliner. I can't even remember what it was. And I'd be having, like, a circle, like, right here. At the end of the day, and I'm like, well, where did that come from?
I'm so stressed out, I'm stress sweating. I'm stress sweating.
I just want you guys to know that I'm coming for the W. I really am. Okay.
One eye is one shape,
Come back
and
to
one
the
eye
eyes.
is the other shape. So let's just...
Alright. Let's get this foundation going.
Do I lose if I don't set any makeup? Like, I don't want this on my face.
Okay.
Nikki Tutorial and Jacqueline Hill, they put lashes on. And I just want you guys to know, it's a 30-minute affair for me to open a pair of lashes. I'm feeling good. Base takes me no time. Base takes me no time.
I haven't used this foundation since, like, I bought it.
I'm gonna set my under eyes with Patrick's powder.
Oh, do you like that?
You know, I don't hate it. I wish, oh my god, I lost the cap. Fuck it. I don't hate it. I wish it was yellow and not pink. I think that's my only gripe, but it still looks pretty. That was too much. Oh my god. I'm literally setting creases, and you still get your mirror in front of your
Oh
face.
my gosh. I should have bought a different primer for my nose. Y'all, you can see so deep into my pores. Let's get the ears.
I'm gonna set my entire face with a mixture of Patrick powder and this mineralized skin finish. I'm coming for the W, y'all. I'm about to win. I love you, Tiffany, but
No.
this is my house, bitch.
Oh my gosh. I'm kidding.
Don't have fun.
I'm that person. I open some of my makeup with my teeth. Like, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
This is gonna be the most cringe-worthy 10 minutes. Oh, I forgot my. You know, it's alright. It's alright.
I feel like I'm gonna be so disappointed in my look, to be honest.
I'm going
'Cause I'm
to
rushing.
bronze with the Elf Turks and Caicos contouring blush bronzer doohickey in the dark
I'm
shade.
contouring right now, too. Contouring buddies.
And then I'm gonna go back and finish my eyes because my under eyes look cray. I'm just gonna smoke it out real good so you can't see how gross it looks in there. New drinking game. Every time Tiffany puts the mirror in front of her face, take a shot.
It's just so hard to, like...
I look disgusting.
Ooh.
You know you look bad if bronzer can't save you. That's my philosophy.
I'm a cream contour kind of person, not a powder bronzer. I like own some, I'm just not really into it.
I'm gonna try to salvage this by.
I don't even know if everything's like well blended. I really don't.
Trust me, it's probably not. It never is.
Oh! I don't know if I should be.
I'm gonna put this on my lower. Oh god, I lost the cap. Put this on my lower lash line.
I'm gonna do my brows so I can at least have my brows. I'm so scared. I don't even want to ask Alexa how much time is left.
Alexa, how much time is left?
You have 20 seconds left.
Ah!
on your timer.
Oh my god, I can't even do. I think I just give up right now. Oh my god, this is so hard. Imagine if we. Oh my god.
I need lips.
I
I win
lost.
because I have lips on. Oh my god. Oh, we're done. We're done. You gotta
I
stop.
didn't even
You gotta
finish
stop.
my brows.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I look crazy.
Oh
I don't know, guys. We'll be back. We'll be back. But you know, guys, this was fun. Grab
It was
a friend.
definitely
and
fun.
See what you guys can create in 10 minutes.
A disaster.
The mess on my floor. I do not want to clean.
It
I have
was
zero
definitely
desire.
fun though. It was fun, and I think we should definitely do more videos together.
We should.
We'll probably find more fun challenges to do.
Let's just do a get ready with me. Challenges stress me out.
Yeah, that's a little.
I was so
you can
gassed.
see our true abilities.
I was so gassed. I was just like, oh, that's not long. If you thought this was hilarious, why don't you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel?
Subscribe to my channel.
Jeez, stop. Jeez, stop.
Subscribe.
Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching this video.
Bye.